All right, what's up, everybody? Adam Hill Vending, and as you can see in this video, we're going to be going over the Haha app. All right, so I have my iPhone here. I have the app pulled up. This is for any of these models, right? For any of the models, if you buy a Haha machine, you can use this app. Very simple, very straightforward, but let's get into kind of what some of the options are. So currently for this month, right at the top, you see daily sales, you see monthly sales. If you click more up at the top, we can customize that to, let's go for last month. So it's October. Let's do for the month of September. You click submit, and now it's going to show you $2,000 in sales, the orders, the product rankings, right? A freezer machine. Just have two of these: a freezer and a one that's in a teacher's lounge glass front for drinks. So you can see, you can click product ranking. You can get all the information that you want as far as how many sold, the volume of each, etc. Okay, so that's kind of interesting, right? So that's everything up there. Abnormal. Under the daily sales, it says abnormal. If you click that, that's where if you have an abnormal transaction, you can process it. So we don't have any pending right now, but you can click processed, and this will show you, right, the ones that have processed. So we had October 2nd, October 3rd. Let's just click like the most recent one. You click it, it'll show you what the charge is. You can click the video. Boom. So that was too fast for it. It couldn't figure it out. So you have to put Hot Pockets done charge. All right. You can click another one. How often does this happen? Maybe a few times a week. Just depends on the volume. All right. This one, you get a video screen. You get two images from the time the machine unlocks. So there's one. Maybe it wasn't in the planogram. Whatever. I don't know. But you just put it on there, click charge, and that's done. Okay. Now, let's see. Unpaid, after sales. I don't really go through all them. Online devices, that shows how many Haha coolers are out. There's your help number. And then offline device, if something happened and the machine's down, it'd be there. But when you first get your machine, you'd click 1, activate device, and then you would scan. You'd scan the QR code to activate the device. Number 2 here is your devices, how many you have. There's a freezer, and there's the other drink machine. You can set your template, right? This is where you would go in and put what's on each layer. So the first shelf, that's what we have. The second shelf, third shelf, obviously they like ice cream, so we pack it full of ice cream. And then you can put all your different items in there. Again, just a quick overview of the Haha device. 3, device restock. You're going to do that if you want to restock the machine, because that's going to pull up the restock information for that specific machine. Finance. You can withdraw your money. Looks like I need to withdraw some money. Oops. And it shows you, you click withdraw and it'll send it to your bank account. You can go through all your records and everything there. New product application is where if you have an item like that's not in the system, let's say it's like this item or something that's not in their catalog, but like this would be, so you don't have to create a new product. You would just go into their product catalog right here and look that they have, that's my product catalog up top, but you can go to the platform product and you can see they have over 15,000 items, right? 15,000 items. So you would just search for your item and add it to your product catalog. All right. Alert center, user management, that's who you can allow in it. Blacklist is if someone's messing with a machine, blocking the cameras, and you want to blacklist them. Boom. Scan to open, that's if you just wanted to open the machine. You didn't want to do anything crazy, you just wanted to reorganize it, maybe move some stuff around. You can just press that. It'll scan the QR code and you can open the device. Support, there's support down here where you can call or text there. They have videos, beginner guides. Let's see. Now stock, restock, all this. So it depends on how you want to set it up. But yes, you can have all the information. So let's say we click the freezer. Okay, we need to, at the top, last restock 293, remaining stock 321. So restock quantity. This is telling you right here on these ice cream sandwiches. The last restock was 61. Since then, 21 have sold, so you need to bring 21. The Angus frozen cheeseburgers, you need to bring 9 because that's many sold. All right, so you just would go down. If you wanted to pre-pick your order, you could do that. Now, if you get there and you want to give away an item or a package is open, just go to adjust stock up here. All right, and say there's really only 48 that you counted. You could change that on each of these, and then you just save it, and that would make your stock, your actual stock, accurate. Okay. Yeah, and if you need to set the template, do all that. If you need to move some stuff around, all right. And yeah, that's kind of a quick overview. I'm trying to just hit all the main highlights. But how many ever machines you have, this is how you can do it. So this total sales, as we're on here, right? It went from 16 to 21. So you just monitor your sales up there. You process all your trims. Everything's through this app, through this page. So it's pretty straightforward. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I can make a video to go into more detail about it. But I think if you don't have a machine and you're curious of how it works, this is kind of the system. So for daily sales, I can click that 2150 right there. Let me see if it's gonna work. No, it's not work. Let's just see here. Today. So this is the sales today, right? So a Jimmy Dean croissant, a Red Baron pizza. Now this Monster Green, you can go in here, click it. It's not. So you can see everything that's sold. Now you can put in all these items of profit, margin, sales. You can know how much of each item you've sold, etc. So you can give some actual detailed information. And now that these will integrate, I haven't dabbled in the integration with Cantaloupe or Haha yet. Obviously there's another fee, but a lot of people want the ability to, if you're all Cantaloupe or all Nyack, to not have to go to different platforms, which makes sense. But if you just have a couple, like we have a couple, it's not that big a deal to check the sales here. Obviously we're getting paid in a different portal, so I mean, I forgot to pull out the money because now there's $3,500 that needs to be pulled out to the account. So anyway, that is the Haha app. If you have questions, drop them down below. If you're interested in the machines, like I've said in previous video, I just work through to sell them to you for the lowest advertised price. I can't say the prices of all of them right now because by the time you're watching this video, they may have gone up, down, tariffs come on, tariffs come off. So if you reach out to me, adam@hillvending.com, just let me know what you're looking for with your contact information, a phone number, and we can reach out to you and get you some pricing as far as whether you're in California or New York. All right, hope you like this tutorial, but remember, most importantly, until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.